Welcome to the juicy, golden world of mangoes. Did you know that mangoes are called the king of fruits? So, grab your favorite mango snack, sit back, and get ready to dive into the sweetest adventure ever. Let's go. 1. Mangoes are the king of fruits. In many tropical countries, mangoes are considered the most delicious and prized fruit, earning them the title of the king of fruits. 2. Mangoes are one of the oldest cultivated fruits. They have been grown for over 4,000 years, originating in South Asia, particularly in India and Myanmar. 3. India is the world's largest mango producer. India grows more mangoes than any other country, accounting for nearly half of the world's total mango production. 4. Mangoes have over 500 varieties. There are hundreds of mango varieties worldwide, each with unique flavors, textures, and colors. Some famous ones include Alfonso, Ataulfo, and Tommy Atkins. 5. The heaviest mango weighed over 4 kilograms. A record-breaking mango from Colombia weighed 4.25 kilograms and holds the Guinness World Record. 6. Mangoes can make you feel happier. They contain high levels of vitamin B6 and tryptophan, which help produce serotonin, the happiness hormone. 7. Mango trees can live for centuries. Some mango trees can live and bear fruit for over 300 years. 8. Mangoes were once banned in the US. Due to concerns about agricultural pests, Indian mangoes were banned from entering the US until 2007, when the ban was finally lifted. 9. Mangoes ripen faster when placed in a paper bag. Like bananas, mangoes release ethylene gas, which speeds up ripening. Keeping them in a paper bag traps the gas and helps them ripen quicker. 10. The word mango comes from the Tamil word mangkai. Portuguese traders brought the fruit to Europe and adapted the word to manga, which later became mango in English. 11. Mangoes have been used as a love symbol. In India and the Philippines, mangoes symbolize love and prosperity. In some cultures, gifting a mango is a sign of friendship and goodwill.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then,